Hey, Yurt Dispatch, hanging out with Henry and working on the new garden. We built 5 new raised beds. They're 5x3 each, with 1x10s, except for this front one, which we just used boards that were around, so I don't remember what it is, 1x6 or 8 or something. And then got 4 yards of topsoil compost mix delivered, and a neighbor very nicely used his tractor to bring it up the hill because it's still too muddy for us to drive up. So we filled the beds, and now we have going so far, just working on this today, we have parsley and dill and let's see, 2 types of romaine, and then spinach in the back here, and then in the back bed just put in let's see, 12 kales, and then we have here beet starts that we still need to put into one of these. Yeah, so we're very excited to have the some garden so close to the yurt. A lot of our beds are down the hill, so a little bit of a walk. So down there we will put, let's see, tomatoes, and we have, what else, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and chard down there right now. Yeah, so very excited about these new raised beds, working on that, and super stoked on spring. Roll Tide, dispatch over.